Good morning, students. Welcome to your GK class. Today, children, we will learn about domestic animals. Okay, children? So, let us learn about domestic animals. Many animals live with us as our pets. Some animals can also be found on farms. They are called domestic animals. Now, children, there are some animals those who live with us as our pets, यानी जो हमारे साथ हमारे घर पे रहते हैं वो एनिमल्स को हम क्या कहते हैं, हम उन्हें पेट्स कहते हैं. ठीक है. एंड कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो हमारी हेल्प करते हैं फार्म में. तो वो ये एनिमल्स यानी दो एनिमल्स आपको ध्यान रखने. वन is where you keep them as your pets, and the second is those animals which work on farm. These animals are called domestic animals. Okay, so which animals are called domestic animals? Those animals which either live with you as your pets or those animals which work on farm. These types of animals are called domestic animals. Okay, so now you have understood what are domestic animals. Domestic animals are those animals which live with us as our pets or those animals which are found on farms. Now look at this picture, children. The first bracket of, okay, let us see this picture. Now see, here you can find three animals. The first one is, as you all know, lion. Second is cow, and third is a dog. So you can see this is a bracket of three animals, okay, where you can find lion, cow and dog. Now what you have to do here, read the line above the picture. Circle the domestic animals from the animals shown below. Now what you have to do, you have to circle the domestic animals. Okay, so let us look at the first picture. The first picture is of lion. Now is lion a domestic animal? Now we had learned about the two criteria where if they fit in either of these two criteria, they are domestic animals. The first one is they live with us as our pets. Now do we keep lion as our pet? No. We do not keep lion as a pet. Yes or no? Yes, children. But do lion work on farm? No, they are not found on farm. They do not help us in farm. Where does lion live? Lion lives in a jungle. Yes, he is a wild animal. Lion is a wild animal. So you will not circle lion. Okay, children. So let us look at the next picture. The next picture is of cow. Now, can you find cow in your farm? Yes. Cow is a farm animal. Cow give us milk, and when we drink milk we become strong. Okay, children. So cow is a domestic animal. So you will circle the cow. Then you can see the next picture. The next picture is of dog. Now, do you keep dog as your pet? Yes. We keep dog as a pet. What does dog do? Dogs guard our house. Yes or no? They are our friends. Yes or no? So dog is a domestic animal. So you will circle the dog. Now children, what will you do? You will take a pencil and you will circle the picture of cow and the picture of dog. I hope children you have circled it. Now we will look at the next bracket. Okay. Now children, look here. Again you can see three pictures, a set of three pictures. The first picture is of deer. The second picture is of buffalo. And the third picture is of sheep. Okay. So you can see here there are three pictures. Now the first picture is of deer. Now let me know children, is deer a domestic animal? No. Deer is not a domestic animal. We do not keep deer as our pet. No, we do not. They live in jungle. They do not live on farms. So do we need to circle this? No, we will not circle this. Okay, children. So deer is a wild animal. Now we will look at the next picture. Now look here, children. This is buffalo. Okay. So buffalo gives us milk. It is found on farms. Yes. People keep buffalo, rear buffaloes to get milk. So buffalo is a domestic animal. So हमें क्या करना है? हमें सर्कल करना है डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स को. तो क्या हम सर्कल करेंगे? Yes, हम buffalo को सर्कल करेंगे. Okay, children. Now the next picture. The next picture is of sheep. Now let us see. Where are sheep found? Sheep are found on farms. और sheep को क्यों पाला जाता है, क्यों rear किया जाता है? Because sheep gives us wool. और wool का हम क्या करते हैं? wool का हम कपड़े बनाते हैं, स्वेटर बनाते हैं, शॉल बनाते हैं, सॉक्स बनाते हैं, ग्लव्स बनाते हैं, जो हमें ठंडी में वार्म करता है. जब विंटर आती है तो हम वुल के कपड़े पहनते हैं ना, टू कीप आवर बॉडी वार्म. सो शीप इज फाउंड ऑन फार्म. सो शीप इज ऑल्सो अ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल. ओके चिल्ड्रन. सो यू कैन सी बफेलो गिव्स अस मिल्क, शीप गिव्स अस वुल. और वुल का हम क्या करते हैं? वुल का हम स्वेटर बनाते हैं, ग्लव्स बनाते हैं, और ये सब हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? विंटर सीजन में. ओके चिल्ड्रन. सो सर्कल द पिक्चर ऑफ बफेलो एंड शीप. नाउ आई होप यू हैव सर्कल्ड. नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. Now children, you can look here. There are set of 3 pictures. Yes, the first one is bear, the second is goat, and the third is giraffe. Okay. So now what you have to do, children? You have to circle the domestic animals. Okay. So now let us look at the first picture in this set. The first picture is of bear. Now is bear a domestic animal? Do we keep bear as a pet? No, we do not keep bear as a pet. Where does bear live? In farm or in jungle? Yes, bear lives in a jungle. So this animal is not a domestic animal. It is a wild animal. So we will not circle the bear. Now children, look here at the next picture. The next picture is of goat. Yes. What do we get from goat? We get milk. We get meat. Okay. So we get milk and we also get meat. Yes or no children? Yes. And these are found on farms. So goat is a domestic animal. Okay. So what will you do? You will circle the goat. Okay. Goat gives us milk and goat gives us meat. These animals are found on farm. Okay. So children, you will circle the goat. Now let us look at the next picture. The next picture is of giraffe. Do we keep giraffe as a pet? No. Do we find giraffe on farms? No, we do not find giraffe on farms. So this animal, giraffe, is found in jungle. Yes or no children? Yes, giraffe we found in jungle. So giraffe is a wild animal. So children, you will not circle this. Why? Because we have to only circle the domestic animal. Just let us have a quick recap. Now look here. The first picture is of lion. Lion is the king of the jungle and he is a wild animal. Yes? Yes. We do not keep lion as a pet. Then the next animal. The next animal is a cow. Cow is a domestic animal. Cow gives us milk and cow lives on farm. Then we have dog. The dog is a domestic animal. We keep dog as a pet. Then the next picture is of deer. Deer is a wild animal. Yes or no children? Yes. He lives in a jungle. Then the next picture is of buffalo. Buffalo is a domestic animal. It gives us milk. Then we have sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Okay, we make clothes of wool. So sheep is also a domestic animal. Now we have bear. Bear is a wild animal. He lives in a jungle. Then the next is goat. Goat gives us milk and meat. Okay, so goat is a domestic animal. It is found on farms. Then the last picture is of giraffe. Giraffe gives us nothing. Giraffe is a wild animal. He lives in a jungle. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. So now children, we will go to the next page. This is page number 23, domestic animals. Now we will go to now children. We will go to page number 24 and the chapter name is Up in the Sky. Now children, read what is written on the screen. Read the clues and find the names of our friends in the sky. Now what you have to do, you have to read the clues, you have to see what is there in the question, or you have to see what is related to the question, and then you have to find the name of the friends which live in sky, okay, which you find in sky. Now let us see. Now see the first picture. Here you can see a bright yellow sun. Yes, you all know this is a sun. So do you need to guess what is this? No children. You know what is this? This is a sun. So I am the S is written here. You will write U and N. So write children. This you all know this is a sun. So S is already written here. What will you write children? You will write S-U-N, sun. Okay, S-U-N, sun. Your S is already written. You will write U-N-N. So write children, this is a sun. I hope you have written this. I am the sun. Now children, let us look at the next picture. Here you can see there is a beautiful 7-color rays coming out from the sky. This is a rainbow. Rainbow has how many colors? 7 colors. Okay. Rainbow has how many colors? 7 colors. You can see. Name the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Okay. So rainbow has 7 colors. What are those 7 colors? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Okay, so this is a rainbow. I am a rainbow. So what is the spelling of rainbow? R-A-I and rain, and you have B-O-W, bow. Okay, here R is already written. You will write A-I-N-B-O-W. I am a rainbow. How many colors does a rainbow have? A rainbow has 7 colors. Okay. And what are those 7 colors? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple. Okay. This is a rainbow. Write down children, write in your notebook. This is page number 24. I hope you have written this. So now we will go to the next picture. Now see, look at this next picture. What you can see? Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a moon. Yes, this is a moon. He comes in the sky during night. आपको रात में दिखते हैं ना चंदा मामा? Yes, so he is a moon. So how will you write moon? M is already given. Here O, O and M. So write down children, I am the moon. I hope you have written this. Now children, we will go to the last picture. See, now look at this picture. See, this is a beautiful star. Yes, you all know this is a star. So what is the spelling of star? S-T-A-R. S is already given. We will write T-A-R. Star. Okay. So this is a star. So write down children. I hope you have written this. Now let us do the quick recap. Okay. So first picture, he is a yellow bright sun. So I am the sun. So I hope you have written this. S-U-N, sun. Then we go to the next picture. The next picture is a beautiful rainbow. Yes, children? Yes, I am a rainbow. Then look at the next picture and name the picture. This is a beautiful moon. How will you spell moon? M-O-O-N. And how will you spell rainbow? R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Okay. Now let us see the next picture. The next picture is of a star. And how will you spell star? S-T-A-R. Okay. He is a star. Now children, let us read the last tidbits which has been given in your book. Okay. So let us read this. Comets are made of rocks, ice and gas. They go around the sun. They look like a flash of light with a long tail. Halley's Comet. So, Halley's Comet is the best known comet. Now, we'll read this again. Comets are made of rocks, ice and gas. They go around the sun and they look like a flash of light with a long tail. Halley's Comet is the best known comet. Now, children, you can see in your book, there's a picture of a comet. Okay, so they also go around the sun, just like our earth and other 8 planets. They move around, they rotate, they revolve around the sun. Similarly, comet also go around the sun, and the Halley's Comet is the best known comet. Okay, very good children. Now this is page number 24. Now children, we will go to the next page. Now children, we will go to page number 25. This is a new chapter and the chapter name is Means of Transport. Okay. So, Novi is planning a trip. Use the words from the help box and tell him the names of the different means of transport he can use. So now here you will find various vehicles or the means of transport. You will be given some clues and you have to guess what it is. Okay, तो आपको पिक्चर दिया है और आपको उसके बारे में थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दी गई है. तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको गेस करना है कि ये कौन सा पिक्चर है. ओके, लेट अस लुक एट द फर्स्ट पिक्चर. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर and I think you all know what is this means of transport or which vehicle is this. This is an aeroplane. Okay, so aeroplane is made of metal and it flies in the sky. Now let us read. And dash is made of metal and flies in the sky. So it is an aeroplane. So how will you write aeroplane? A-E-R-O. Aeroplane. P-L-A-N-E. Write down children. An aeroplane is made of metal and flies in sky. So write down this. I hope you have written this. Now let us look at the second picture. The second question. A dash has number of bogies which are pulled by an engine. Now you can see, look here, you can see the picture and you can guess which vehicle is this or which means of transport is this. This is a train. 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 It is a train. So write down, children. The first is aeroplane and the second is a train has number of bogies which are pulled by an engine. I hope you have written this. Now we will go to the next picture. See. The next picture you can look here. A dash is a small motor vehicle with a 3 wheels. Again we will read. A dash is a small motor vehicle with 3 wheels. As you can see the picture, you can very well guess what it is. It is an auto rickshaw. So how will you spell auto rickshaw? A-U-T-O. Auto rickshaw. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. So write down, children. An auto rickshaw is a small motor vehicle with 3 wheels. Okay, this vehicle has 3 wheels. So write down, it is an auto rickshaw. How will you spell auto rickshaw? A-U-T-O-R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. It is an auto rickshaw. An auto rickshaw is a small motor vehicle with 3 wheels. Okay, children. Now let us go to the next picture. Now look here, children. A dash is a large boat for traveling on water. Again read. A dash is a large boat for traveling on water. You can see the picture and you can guess it is a ship. S-H-I-P. Write down, children. A ship is a large boat for traveling on water. Now, children, I hope you have written this. S-H-I-P, ship. Now, look at the next picture. A dash has 2 wheels and a motor. Now you can see, look at the picture at question number 5 and you can guess what it is. It is a motorbike. How will you write? B-I-K-E. Bike. It is a motorbike. So children write, a motorbike has 2 wheels and a motor. So write down, children. Motorbike. M-O-T-O-R-B-I-K-E. I hope you have written this. So now we will go to the 6th picture. Let us see what is there in the picture. Can you see the picture? Yes, it is a car. Okay. So I think you all know which picture is this. Yes, this is a car. This goes without saying. Now let us read the question. A dash has 4 wheels and can carry people. Now which vehicle has 4 wheels and can carry the people? You can look here in the picture. Which picture is this? This is a car. This is a car. So children write down, a car has 4 wheels and can carry people. Okay. I hope you have written this. Now let us recap the 6 means of transport that we have learned today. The first one is an aeroplane. An aeroplane is made of metal and it flies in a sky. Then the next picture it is of train. A train has number of bogies which are pulled by an engine. Now read children, a train has number of bogies which are pulled by an engine. Now let us look at the third picture. An auto rickshaw is a small motor vehicle with 3 wheels. Now children, let us look at the fourth picture. A ship is a large boat for traveling on water. Then children, let us read the question number 5. A motorbike has 2 wheels and a motor. Then the last 6. A car has 4 wheels and can carry people. Here are the options in the 6th bracket, and then we will read the last bit in your page number 25. A tram, also known as a streetcar, is a vehicle that runs on a track laid on the street. It usually runs on electricity. The tram system was introduced to reduce traffic and pollution on the roads. Again we will read this. A tram, also known as a streetcar, is a vehicle that runs on the track laid on the street. It usually runs on electricity. The tram system was introduced to reduce traffic and pollution on the road. So now tram is basically, you can see in the picture, it is a type of train which runs on street. Okay, और ऐसी वाली जो ट्रेन है हमारे इंडिया में भी चलती है, और ये कौन से स्टेट में चलती है? ये कोलकाता में चलती है. On which city you can find a tram? You can find a tram in Kolkata. Okay, so India में where can you find a tram? In Kolkata. Okay, this is a train which runs on street. Okay, now children, you have now learned about the various means of transport like aeroplane, train, auto rickshaw, ship, motorbike and car. So now children, let us learn about the parts of aircraft. Now you can see this is an aircraft. Okay, an aeroplane. Okay, this is an aeroplane. Now look here, you can see the various parts of aeroplane. Here are the wings. You can see the wings. Okay, the wings has various parts. The initial, see, you can see this is a jet engine. This body of an aircraft is known as fuselage. The nose here, the starting point of an aeroplane is called the nose, and the end part is called the tail. Okay, then you have the cockpit where the pilot sits and flies an aeroplane. Then you have cabin where you sit and travel. Yes, then this is the rudder, then the fin, then the aileron, the flap, the tailplane, the elevator. Okay, and then you can also see a landing gear. Okay, this is the wheel of an aircraft. जब एयरप्लेन लैंड करती है, जब एरोप्लेन लैंड करती है तो ये व्हील्स बाहर निकलते हैं. So you can see here the various parts of an aeroplane, children. Again children, look here. The nose of an aeroplane, the body of the aeroplane is called fuselage. Then the end part of an aeroplane is called the tail. Then you can see the wings. Then the top, it looks like a fish. Yes, जैसे फिश के फिन्स होते हैं वैसे ही एयरप्लेन के भी फिन्स होते हैं. Yes, you can see the cabin, you can see the cockpit. What happens in cockpit? The pilot sits in the cockpit and he flies an aeroplane. Okay, children. So this is all for today. Thank you, children, and have a nice day.